5 ways to effortlessly treat leg swelling at home. Hey! Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell and listen carefully. 1. Your diet. One thing that may be causing your legs to swell up is the foods you eat. This has to do with how much salt you put in your body. Are you putting too much salt in your body? The recommended amount of sodium consumption that people need is 10 and 8 grams for men and women, respectively. A good rule of thumb is that anywhere between 11 and 12 grams of sodium may be pushing it. What do you do if you are starting to taste salty? A good way to dispel sodium from your body is by eating foods rich in potassium. In the table shown above, banana, spinach, and avocado have been shown in bold. The reason for this is that unlike other foods listed, these three require less time to prepare and could be eaten as a snack. That is why you should try eating a banana when your legs start swelling up. 2. Pressure point healing. Pressure points have been used for healing in China since ancient times and remains today as traditional Chinese medicine. Today it is often referred to as acupressure points, or just acupressure. How does it even work? The nerve ends in your body are connected, and by applying pressure on specific parts of your body it is said to be connected to exterior conditions, such as constipation, tiredness, and pain tolerance. Don't you need special tools to do that? Although pressure point therapy is often done with the use of needles, the same effect can be achieved using only your fingers. How to apply pressure points yourself. Sit down in a chair, or anything that helps you relax your body. Blowing out, apply pressure for 3 seconds, and then breathe in, releasing pressure from the point. Apply pressure in order, from highest point to lowest point. That means starting with BL40 and ending with BL57. In general, applying pressure to these points should take only a minute. Pressure point message to eliminate leg swelling. 3. Lymph massage therapy. One reason why people suffer from feet swelling is through poor lymph circulation, causing excess fluids to accumulate in certain areas of your body. Bad circulation equals leg swelling. The lymph system works to collect waste from around your body. When lymph circulation becomes bad, excess fluids and waste byproducts start to build up in your body, making it easy to hold water in your legs. The truth behind swelling in the legs. This accumulation of water and waste products is exactly what causes unnecessary swelling in the legs. Lymphatic detox massage that works. Lymphatic massages work to improve circulation in the lymph system, thus effectively healing the swelling in your legs. Starting from ankles, working your way towards your knees, lightly massage legs. Avoid putting too much pressure into the massage, i.e. be gentle. The back of your knees is where lymph ducts from legs, lymph node, accumulate, so apply pressure lightly in this area, it is sensitive. Be sure to massage the area around your kneecap where swelling may be most prominent. Repeat on both legs, 10 times for best results. Lymph massage to eliminate leg swelling. Massage your legs from ankles to the inguinal lymph node in your legs around your kneecaps, attacking the problems at its source. The inguinal lymph node is where lymph from lower legs gathers. Relieving bottlenecks from inguinal lymph nodes improves lymph circulation and reduces swelling in legs. Making use of your time in the tub. It is most effective to massage yourself when blood circulation is particularly good, such as after or while taking a bath. 4. Exercises for lymph drainage. The exercise that we are going to introduce next can be used to help drain lymph from extremities, your hands and legs. That means quicker relief from tiresome leg swelling. Prevent unsightly cellulite. There is no special equipment required and can be done on the floor. For people with hard floors, laying down a mat is recommended. Healing with gravity. One of the main reasons why blood builds up in your legs has to do with gravity. In this exercise we are going to use the same principle to get your blood back. Easy way to return blood the core. Simply by raising your legs up high, is it easy to get your blood flowing back to your upper body. Exercise getting rid of leg swelling. Lying back flat on the floor, facing up, Raise arms and legs up in the air. Dangle your hands and feet in the air similar to the way you would shake water off when drying your hands. Exercise to eliminate leg swelling. It's advantageous to do this exercise before going to sleep, as you should already be lying down in bed. Doing them during commercials on TV is also not a bad idea. 5. Using a foot pillow. Raising your legs above the level of your heat is known to help return blood buildup in your lower body back to your core. Before going to sleep bed, try this out. Using a thick towel or floor cushion lying around your house, make a pillow, or anything at all as long as it allows you to comfortably elevate your feet. Are you ready, yet? Now that you are ready to get started, I am going to tell you how you can eliminate leg swelling, detox your body, and relieve fatigue and dizziness simply only by using a foot pillow. Detox starts at the feet. Before we start, I would like to note that the procedure may make you sleep, not a bad thing, and that you should experience relief from lower back, lumbar, pain. Now that that's said, let's get started. Choosing the right pillow height. The preferred pillow height is thought to be between 10 and 15 centimeters off the floor. For bigger people with larger bone structure than others, adjust this height, roughly the length from your shoulder blades to your rib cage, to fit your body profile for best results. Leg swelling and edema. Edema causes floods to build up in layers beneath your skin. This is why even though you are not bruised, your legs will swell up, leaving your legs unsightly beyond repair. It's important that you treat edema, the swelling in your legs, before the condition worsens and turns into cellulite. Changing your diet, routine maintenance, massage therapy, pressure points, and foot pillow placement are the key to attacking leg swelling before undesired cellulite show itself in your precious skin. Before applying these recommendations, consult your doctor. Put a like under this video, subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell and share this